Hi there, today's walk is not a walk that's close to home. I'm down at Bateau Bay. Today's walk will take me along the northern headland down to the rock platform. Then it's across the beach out to the Crackneck Point. After returning to the beach, I'll take the bush trail at the Crackneck Lookout and return to our starting spot. There's plenty of variety in today's walk. Let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. This walk is in the southern section of the Wirrabillong National Park. It's a walk I do up to 4 or 5 times a week, but normally I would start down at Shelley Beach, walk up to Crackneck Lookout, then back to Shelley Beach again. Today's a little bit different. We're going to start at the northern end of Bateau Bay. This trail is part of the coastal walk that goes all the way from Shelley Beach out to Foresters Beach. It's a very windy day today and the surf is pretty rough. I make my way down through the bush and get my first glimpse of the rock platform that goes between Shelley Beach and Bateau Bay. Once you make your way down onto the rock platform, you get an appreciation of its size. You could fit quite a number of football fields down here. We start to cross Bateau Bay Beach. The beach is around about 350 to 400 metres wide and it's a great place to come for a swim on a hot summer's day. The tide is still a little bit high, but it's low enough for us to be able to get out to Crackneck Point. There's a little section of mangroves. Once we get past that, we should be able to get onto the rock platform itself. I don't think I'll be getting too close to the edge today. We'll take the trail that goes along the top of this hill later to get to Crackneck Lookout. We're now out of Crackneck Point. It's a popular place for surfers when the surf is right. There's a little pebbly beach and up above it there's Crackneck Lookout. Here's some balanced rocks. Usually there's quite a few of these out here. Today there was none, so I made one. The tide is going out, exposing more and more of this rock platform. Nearly back at the beach. It's now time to take the steps that go from the beach up to the bush trail part of the walk. The lookout itself is about 1.5 kilometres up this hill. Here's a brush turkey nest. It's been here for years. I love walking this trail. It's a little bit of nature almost at my doorstep. Plenty of birds today. There was bushfire fuel reduction carried out here a couple of years back. It's coming along quite nicely, I think. There's a couple of open grassed areas along the track as well. Once you hit the boardwalk section, you know you're nearly at the top. Only a couple hundred metres to go. Crackneck is very popular with the locals, whether it be for whale watching or just to come for a picnic and some fresh air. It's a beautiful picture postcard view looking towards the north. There's Crackneck Point and the pebble beach we were standing on earlier, and the coastline looking south. Even with the wind, it's been a beautiful day today and a great location for a walk. I've seen quite a few people there today. Getting close to the end of the walk, I'm starting to see Bateau Bay through the trees. It's been a good walk. It's about 6 kilometres and took me around about 3 hours. I made my way back down the hill from Crackneck Lookout. I think today's walk was quite interesting. There was quite a variety of things to see. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.